Hi, I'm Jess Johnson, the Director of Admissions at Lynnes Welding Training. There's a lot of shop time here at the school. 85% of the time you can expect to be out there learning how to weld. We have high placement rates, high graduation rates, because we're set to a really high standard by our accreditation. It's important to us because when you succeed, we succeed, and the success of our students is what makes us most proud to do what we do. We take attendance very seriously because we want you to succeed in the welding industry, so it is a part of your graduation requirements as well too. Our instructors are very invested in the success of our students. Since our school only accepts 12 students per instructor, we have a very small family atmosphere here. And it's by design. We want you to be successful in your program by having that nice one-on-one time with your instructor. Our mission at Lynnes Welding Training is to provide our students with the skills and knowledge necessary to pursue a successful career in the welding industry. Whether you're fresh out of high school, you're a career changer looking to make that next move, or even a veteran using your GI Bill benefits, we can assist you.